Welcome to SOURAV Sir's classes. The question is, a group of 6 friends notice that the sum of their ages is the square of a prime number. What is the average age of the group? Statement 1. All members are between 50 and 85 years of age. And statement 2. The standard deviation of their ages is 4.6. Then which of the options is correct? Option A. Statement 1 alone is sufficient to answer. Option B. Statement 2 alone is sufficient to answer. Option C. Either of the statement is sufficient to answer. Option D. Both statements are required to answer. And option E. Additional information is required. So now it has been given that the sum of their ages is the square of a prime number. From statement 1, all members are between 50 and 85 years of age. So minimum age of all friends is equal to 6 into 50, that is 300 years. Maximum age of all friends equal to 6 into 85, that is 510 years. Now root 300 is equal to 17.32 and root 510 is equal to 22.58. Therefore, there is only one prime number between 17.32 and 22.58, that is 19. Therefore, sum of ages is equal to 19 squared is equal to 361 and average equal to 361 by 6, that is 60.16. From statement 2 we cannot find the average as we don't know the sum of ages. Therefore, statement 1 alone is sufficient to answer. The next question is, Harry and Sunny have randomly picked 5 cards each from a pack of 10 cards numbered from 1 to 10. Who has randomly picked the card with number 2 written on it? Statement 1. Sum of the numbers on the cards picked by Harry is 5 more than that of Sunny. And statement 2. One has exactly 4 even numbered cards while the other has exactly 4 odd numbered cards. Now from both the statements we can say that Harry has 1, 3, 7, 9 and 10, or 1, 5, 7, 9 and 8, and Sunny has 2, 4, 6, 8 and 5, or 2, 4, 6, 10 and 3. Therefore, Sunny has card with number 2. So additional information is required. So the correct option is option E.